Once you have plugged in and turned on your POS device, you will land on the desktop. To navigate the system, you can touch the options you want on the screen. You can also click this keyboard option down here to use the on-screen keyboard. Or you can attach a keyboard and mouse, as I have done. As you can see, only one browser, Internet Explorer, is available. We'll use it to log in, then switch to a better option. Click it. When it loads, type stocklypos.com in the address bar. This browser can be slow. On the home page, click Login. Here is another issue with this browser. Some web pages won't display properly on it. We'll put in our login details to see what the software looks like on this browser. Here you can see this is not displaying as it should. So let's get Google Chrome. In the address bar, type Google Chrome Download. Click on this option. Click Download here. Pay attention to this pop-up below and click Run. Then click Run on this as well. This will install Chrome web browser. You can click on this to see the progress. Wait for it to finish. When finished, it will open this window. You can log in to your Google account here. For this example, I will choose not to log in. It will then give you the option to set Chrome as your default browser. Click the blue button. That will open up a settings window. Down here where it has Internet Explorer as the default, click on it, then select Google Chrome, then select Switch Anyway. And that's that. Close the settings window and the Internet Explorer window. Now back on Chrome, we can return to stocklypos.com to log in like we did before. Already you can see it's looking much better. And voila, the dashboard looks great. You can save your password if you're the only user. You've successfully logged in on the POS device. Going forward, you will use Chrome to make everything run and look smoother. Please refer to the other videos in this series to learn how to use the system.